Good morning! Time to wake up and start our happy day. Let's make our bed nice and tidy. Let's wash our face to feel clean and fresh. Smooth and shiny hair makes us look neat. A healthy breakfast gives us energy for the day. Put your books and lunch neatly inside your bag.
Tie your shoes tight and get ready to go.
Let's wear clean clothes and look our best. Say bye-bye to Mom and Dad with a big smile. Always look left and right before you cross the road.
Good friends make every morning happy. Good morning, teacher.
Let's keep our things in the right place.